Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about that if your marriage is going to be success or what. And there are three piles over here. Uh, the pile you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going towards the pile number 1. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 1 with this green and white hair catcher, Pakistani flags theme, your first card is Tower card. Your first card is that it is a Tower card. That is the broken heart, broken home, relationship, and I think in this situation, okay, I think that you are going to have a divorce from that person, or your first marriage is not that good as you think. It is like a disaster, broken heart, broken home, broken relationship, crying person, crying and crying person. Okay, and then you have got the justice. Maybe this is justice for you have done something bad to that person, someone else, and this is what God will punish you, how they will punish you. Or maybe this is this is good. If this person is I think that if you don't know that this person is good and you married that person, and then you know that this person is not good, and you think that I have done some mistake, then this will also be justice for you, that you have divorced with that person. You have nightmares at this moment with this Tower card, because of this Tower card, because of this breakage, and you are not able to sleep at nights. You are very worried over this situation. You are missing that person. Okay, at this moment you are not with that person. I think for some of you, you had the divorce with that person, or for some of you, your parents are not agree, or something happened to you that you are not marrying each other at this moment, and you are missing that person. If whatever the reason is, you are missing your person. Okay, they are not happy with you, they had break up with you, and you are not going to be succeed in this situation. This person don't like you, or maybe this person is like a person that want to have a lot of girls or boyfriends with them. Okay, and the other card is this is the Temperance card. You have to heal yourself after that breakage. You have to heal yourself, be patient, your good time will be coming soon, and heal yourself, wait for good time, and be patient at that moment, and okay, search, know, have a knowledge about that situation. Why did this happen to you? What did you do wrong, or what did that person do wrong? What is the breakage between you two? Take help from others if you want. Go and go towards your parents, your relatives, your friends, and spend time with them, with happy time. Try to be happy as you can, and try to forget that person. Okay, with that, your third card is the Empress card, that is upside down. That person or you, someone is not they are not willing to marry you, they are not willing to live with you, and they don't want to share their life, their happiness, their abundance, anything with you. Yes, and they want break up over here with this card also, and they are going to leave you because they are not holding you, or maybe you are letting them go there because you know that this person is not happy with you. They are fighting with themselves because they are with you, and that's why you this relationship is ending over here, I think so. And with this hangman upside down, yes, definitely you are not forcing them to live with you, or they are not forcing you to live with them. This is also can be vice versa. And nobody is restricting them or stopping them to do not to do it. Okay. And you let them do what they want to do. Okay. And I think because you love them, this is because you don't fighting with them, you are not stopping them, because you love them. You are a childlike person, your love is true, pure, clean love, pure love. And you don't want to stop them. You want them to be happy with someone else. Rather they will live with someone else, but you want them to be happy. You think that they are not happy with you, and that's why you are letting them go. Or maybe you are a brave person, a child but a brave person, a loving person. Okay. And your next card is Seven of Swords. Maybe that person had deceived you at or betray you in the past, or maybe you are not, or they are not wanting to betray each other. Okay. And because why you are not betraying each other, you are not backstabbing each other, because this person respects you, they are attracted to you, they respect you. And at one moment, or for some time, they are in love with you. Okay. When they married you, they are in love with you, or they are in love with you now, or maybe they are thinking about you, that you are a good person, you don't have to come through this disaster. This will never happen to you. Okay. They know that um, they are feeling shame because of that, I think so. Temperance, they know that you are very patient person, you are a uh, very loving, very caring person, and you are a healer. They know that you can handle this situation easily, you can overcome with it easily. That's why they are going to leave you. They know that you are a brave person, you can do it easily, you can cut them from your life easily. Okay. You are not like others, you are a brave person, so they are doing this to you. They know that um, you can make it easily, and this will happen soon. If this is not happening yet, this will happen soon. They are leaving you. They are very aggressive about it, they want to do it right now, and they are doing it. You are getting some message from them, or letter, or divorce papers, something like that. And with that, these divorce, this disaster thing, you think that you are stuck over here, you will never be able to find your true love, or you will never be able to be happy one again. Okay. This is all your thoughts. You think that you are stuck over here, you are mourning over here, you are crying for that person. And yes, you are going to marry that person, that person is going to marry you. And but then what happened, something happened. Maybe some finances problems, financial problems, or maybe this career is not fitting them, you are not fitting them. They are not happy with you, they think that they could deserve more good person, or someone else. Okay. And they are finding something over here, or maybe they are plucking these flowers over here, they are finding something over here. Okay. and they are thinking that you are not good enough for them. And but there is playfulness in this relationship when you two marry, and you two will spend a good time with each other, and happiness, romance, you can see the romance in their eyes, and attraction also. You are attracted to that person. I think that this is you are attracted to that person mostly. And or maybe you are going towards someone else will be coming here to marry you after that disaster. And fairy of the green bird, okay, the natural bird needs you. Okay, don't cry, don't be unhappy, don't be sad. uh, mm, um, 4 and 4. Okay, build yourself, build your life once again, build it. Double four, there is a double four for you, that you have to build your life, you have to do something for your life. Take care of yourself, your hair, your body, your eyes, your happiness, your health. Okay, go into forest, or sorry, forest in parks, green parks, greeneries, and love with the animals, love with flowers and plants. Okay. And 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 is determination, determined to be happy. Okay. Ghost of the past, the past returns for a time. This person is in your life, maybe this you know that person from your past. This is your relative or someone, it's a best friend, something like that, family friend. And they will come to you for a little time, and then they will go back. And there is a 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. But as much as they live with you, as long as they live with you, they live with love, with the care, with the happiness. Okay. And because they are I think they are attracted towards someone else. They are pretending to be happy with you, but they are not happy with you, because they are having drama or something like that. They want to go to someone else. Maybe their parents force them to marry you, and that's why they are with you. And then after some time, they are going to tell you that they are not happy with you, they don't want you, they want someone else. And let them go, and you let them go. And this is safe for you, let them go. Don't afraid that what will happen to you, or this is not good for you. This is good for you, let them go, or they will make your life as a disaster, like uh, they will fight to you. Okay. And that is not good. So let them go, what they want to do, let them do it. Okay. You will surely get the true love, happy home life again. Okay. This is all for you, my pile number 1. Please like, share, subscribe this video. And if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you can keep watching my videos. You can also watch my previous videos and my new videos, and you surely get some help from there. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 2 with this head catcher, okay, your first card is Queen of Pentacles. And I think you are, or that person, someone is attracted towards the other. They love them, they want to hold them, they want to look at your face, and they want to be with them, be with you. And you are protecting something either here, or collecting their wills, their happiness, their love towards you. You are so loyal to that person, you are making the money for them, and also you are protecting them, you are taking care of them. You had never take your eyes off that person. You are not, you could not do it. Okay. And the Hanged Man, because you are not stubborn person. You are I think caring person, loving person, and you are not arguing with them in some case. You think of that person because someone is thinking that they are stuck over here, that and that is good for them to love that person, because if they want to be happy in this in this life or at this period, they have to give them much more, they have to love them much more. Okay. And with this Four of Pentacles, yes, definitely that person is this you or that person. But in this married life or in this situation, you one person is not a stubborn person. They are giving to other, they are a lot giving to others. Okay. And just giving and giving, and taking care of others, love others, and giving them their money, whatever they have, and helping others. They are helping others, and you want to, I think that is you, this person is you, that is giving and loving and caring, and you want to love them, or you want to seek some a way out of this situation. Some research, you are doing some research over here. And you think that this is good to give them, they are the good persons and you have to give them. Okay. With this magician card, but someone is not happy with them. Maybe you are giving them, loving them, but you don't want the family with them, you don't want to marry them. You like them, maybe you both are the best friends, and then they said to you that please marry me, and you can't break their heart, you can't you are a very caring, loving person, you can't able to tell them that you don't like them, you are going to marry them. Then you know that you are stuck over here, you don't want that person, and now you want to get away from that person, and there is no stability in this relationship, because someone is not having their mind, their heart towards other. Now you or that person is going to betray you, or you are going to betray that person, backstabbing or doing something at their back, and deceiving them, something like that. And this I think this had happened before. Okay, this had happened, not, this is not happening now, because you have taken your time. Okay, I think that you are thinking that you are wounded by that person, because you are taking a lot of time with them, and you are very patient with that person. You want to let them go, or sorry, that person, maybe that person will think that, or some, but whatever, there is the situation that someone wants to go away from the other person, and the other person loves that person. You are not able to betray that person, because you attracted to that person. You think that that person is your responsibility, that yes, this is the reason that you are not able to betray that person. You are not able to tell them that I don't want you, I want to move towards someone else, or that person is not telling you. This could be vice versa. Okay, that maybe you are that person that are not telling them that you want to leave them, or maybe that person are not telling you that they want to leave you, because they know that if they are going to do this, your heart is going to grow. Okay, and they are still thinking about you. They think that you are their responsibility. Maybe you have children with that person, you are mother of their children or father of their children, and that's why they are not able to leave you. Okay, they are protecting, or someone is protecting this relationship over here, because they what is this, this is neither one, because they are attracted towards you. They think that your heart will broke if they tell you this truth, and they still care about you. That's why they are not telling you. They are protecting that relationship. They care about you, they love you, they know that you are a good person, um, you are a loving person, caring person. That's why they also feel love for you. Okay, but let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, don't do anything about it, this situation. Let them do what they want to do. They will do on their own self, and that is good for you. Okay, lady with the wash egg, ancient wisdom. You are protecting your love, your family life, your relation over here, your child's, maybe your children's over here, your home over here. Okay, and you are very wise person. And with shallow grave, you miss someone, but there is a situation where if this person is no, oh no, I think that this person will not there is no situation like they are not, I think they will not go, they will not leave you. Okay, and they will stay with you, and that's why you are not missing them, and also they are not getting the way towards other person, or they will not getting the way to away from you. Okay, and because they know that you are a caring person, you are a loving person, you deserve love, and that's why they are not going to let you go or leave you. Believe at that person. This person is good, also you are a good person, that person is good. Believe on them. This everything uh, will be uh, will be good for you. Okay, and don't fight or argue with them. Don't tell them anything. Don't do anything, and let this thing happen as it own. Leave it to Allah, leave it to um, universe, to your God. Okay, this is your reading for now, my pile number 2. I hope, please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my videos. You can surely get some help from there, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 3. Okay, for my pile number 3, those who choose this bracelet, braided bracelet, green or white, the first card is, okay, you or your person is happy with you, with this marriage. They are enjoying this time with you, but someone is not. Someone is enjoying this time, and you, maybe you both are enjoying this time, but something is killing you inside. You know that this situation is not good, or something is bad in this situation. Something is that is not looking at the surface, and but you are attracted to that person, or maybe that person is attracted to someone, or you are attracted to someone else. You are this person is childlike person. They have childlike energy. They are if they want something, they will cry for it, they fight for it, and do anything for it. And then they are the person, then when they get this thing, they don't care about it. I have that thing was that is okay, that is all. Now I'm going towards something else. Yes, definitely they are now moving towards something else. Or maybe you had fall for their love, and now you are and you go forward, move towards that person without watching, without taking any clarity, any knowledge about that person. And now you are not as happy as you have to. There is no love for, in there is someone, they are not love other person. Maybe you are or that person, that could be vice versa. Queen of Cups and this is upside down. This is Cancer card, sorry, Scorpio card, and that person is not in love with you. They don't care about you, or you are not. One person is not caring about other. They don't love other. They don't want to live with that person because they want the justice. They think that this marriage is not justice for them, and they want to justice, and they want to win what they want. They want to leave other person, and I am seeing here that they are leaving you. They are going to leave you. They will be succeed in this situation. They are leaving you, and you are getting alone in your this time in your life. Okay, you are searching for the good thing, for your home, for your happiness. You are searching for that things over here, because Queen of Wands upside down, I think that is some lady that is not in love with her husband, but this is not necessary. It will be vice versa, and there no love for other person, no care. They don't want to live with that person. They are so angry at this moment to leave them. Okay, and definitely there is stability in this relationship. The other person is in love with you, or yes, in with you, but you are not happy with that person. You have something in your mind. Maybe you like someone else, or maybe you want your freedom, your independence, something. You are holding that person, but you are thinking about someone else. You are looking towards someone else. That person is very loyal to you. They are very, very much in love with you. Okay, and you want to deceive them. You want to betray them, because you want your independence, because you want something else, and you are going to have your wish fulfillment with this situation, with this card. And you are stuck over here at the moment, but you will going to have your wish fulfillment, or maybe because that person you are watching someone else, because you want to have something, what you want to fulfill your wish. You want to betray that person, because you think that you are stuck over here with that person. And with this Knight of Pentacles, you want to change something right now. You have no patience at this moment. You want to change something right now, because you have no you think that you have no responsibility towards that person, no love, no care, no thoughts about that person. You have nothing about that person. That's why you want to leave them. You are, and you know that you will never going to miss that person in your life. And with this card, Devil card, maybe this is Capricorn. Yes, and they are not restricting you. They are not chaining you. They are not stopping you. I think so. Or you want to break that chain, that blockage. Yes, that relationship. And you had put seeds. You had done something to have your independence. You have done something, I think something badly with this Devil card. And now I think you think that there is a balance between this situation. You think that that person also not like you or love you. Okay, but from these cards, I think that this person likes you. Or maybe this will be also the situation that you have changed your mind about that person. You had done some lot of things over here to leave that person, and you are going to be going to have victory over here. But now you have changed your thoughts about that person. You definitely don't like that person. This person is your soulmate, but you don't like that person. And the cards telling you that this could be the one. This person is good for you. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Look how this man holding her hand, okay, and she is not happy with him. She want to take her hand away from that person, but this person is begging that woman to come back to their life, don't leave them, and something like that. Give your relationship a chance. Yes, universe is telling you, Allah is telling you, work on your partnership, give your relationship a chance. This person is good for you, and this person is only the one person that will love you like this. No other person will love you like that person. Okay, forgiving and learning. As you release your heal the past, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay, heal that person, forgive them, and experience that how much that person loves you. Seven mermaid, your sensuality is beautiful. You are beautiful from inside and outside, and you are a good person. You are a lovable person. That's why I think that you are not going to leave that person, and you are going to have the happy home life with that person, and be wise person. Think wisely. um, the wisdom is necessary in this reading, in this situation. You have to be wise person. Don't leave that person. This person loves you a lot, that no one can love you like that person. Okay, this is the reading for you for my pile number 3. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my videos. You will surely get some help from there, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.